Welcome back to the episode 4 of PGMP exam questions. I'm going to continue with the same program management life cycle domain and have two more questions in this series. So let's hit right away. So program manager Alex has successfully completed a complex program that involved multiple projects, stakeholder dependencies. The program has achieved its objective, delivered the intended benefits, received positive feedback from key stakeholders. As Alex enters the closure phase, he wants to ensure a smooth transition and capture valuable insights for future programs. Which of the following actions should Alex prioritize to effectively close the program? So everything went well. Okay, Alex wants to close the closure of the program. He wants to ensure a smooth transition and capture valuable insights for future program. So question is how you would close the program. Again, whatever in PGMP guide how to close the program, I think it's a direct question. So let's see for the some of the keywords in the answer choices which emphasize on how to close a program. A answer is focus on completing all remaining administrative tasks such as archiving program document, closing financial accounts, releasing program resources to ensure a clean and efficient program close. This looks good. Okay. So this is one of the pointers. Second is conduct a comprehensive program review to assess the program's performance, identify lessons learned and document best practices for future reference. This also looks good. So I am confused between A and B. Okay. Now comes C. Schedule a series of meetings with project manager, discuss their individual performances and gather feedback on the program's overall coordination and communication effectiveness. I think with project managers, you do it much earlier. I think not at the program closure. There can be various projects which get closed at various intervals during say a 3 or a 4 year program life cycle. So I don't think C is a right answer. So let's go to the D. D is organize a celebrity event for all program stakeholders to acknowledge their contribution. That's not what is efficient, program closure. Okay, so this is maybe you want to do it, but it's not an efficient program closure. With reading this one line also, I would say that D answer is not correct. So I will go with A and B. Okay, so what is wrong with the A answer or B answer is better than the A answer is that it covers what you need to review and close the program. So he says check, evaluate the program's performance. And when you're evaluating the program performance, you are actually checking a lot of things, what went wrong, okay, what are the risks are not covered, which are unforeseen risk. You send it to, pass it to the operations or to the another program, or there is something, contracting issues are there, you try to solve that. So you assess the performance, it covers a lot, including the financial accounts, which is mentioned in the A choice. Identify lessons learned and document best practice for future reference. So I will use the B answer, which is more effective than the A answer. Although there was a very close thin line, okay, this is about how the future programs can benefit from the current program for an effective closure. Okay, so A answer is also a good one. This also you do for closing, but for an efficient closure which can be helpful for the future program, the B answer is more appropriate in the context. So I will choose the B over A. So it was a tough question in choosing the right answers. Okay, I hope you are with me, right? So let's go to the question 4. The question 4 is, as a program management professional, PGMP, initiating a program to improve customer service for a large healthcare provider, which of the following tasks should you prioritize to ensure that the program aligns with the organization's strategic objectives and gains the necessary support from key stakeholders? So it is telling you which are the important things that you should do so that the program is in alignment with the strategic objectives and you get the support from the stakeholders. A answer, develop the charter which tells you about the purpose, objective and requirements of the program, and then take the approval of the sponsor and the key stakeholders. So this is one document artifact which gives securing the support, tells you the alignment with the strategic objectives. So looks like a very good answer, but let's go to the B. B is compiling a benchmark report by analyzing other healthcare provider strategies and then identifying. May not be other strategies of other competitor may not be relevant to your context and may not be appropriate. So I will rule out the B. Then the C, initiate a series of workshops aimed at gathering detailed operational requirements from frontline staff to directly inform the design specifications of the project within the program. Now, this C answer only talks about the requirements. It doesn't talk about the question aligning with the strategic objective and securing support from the stakeholder. So I will say this is a big gap. C is also ruled out. Let's go to D. Launch a pre-implementation survey among potential program beneficiaries to gather a feedback on past service challenges and expectations for future improvement. So here also you are not securing support, you are trying to understand the expectation needs also from a section of stakeholders. It may not be the program beneficiary are the only stakeholders. So also this is like off the hook. Okay, so I will see A, which talks about artifact, which is the artifact, getting an approved artifact from the sponsor, tells you about alignment, also talks about securing support of the stakeholder. And that's why I will go with the answer A. So this is how you should read the question and try to do the process of elimination that will enhance your chances of succeeding in PGMP exam. And ProThoughts also is true to its tagline, succeed with your projects and programs. And I, along with ProThoughts, will continue to do this series of questions for exam of PGMP, because I got a lot of feedback saying that this helps us to appear on the PGMP exam, because a lot of people have this kind of a myth or a block, mental block, that PGMP is tough. According to me, PGMP is easier than PMP. So do follow us for this series on our YouTube channel. Do like, subscribe, and even put your comments so that we can help you in a much better way. Thank you for watching this, and I'm sure it is helping you. Thank you so much, and I will be back with another series soon.